Mrs. D. Maitra, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce with Information Technology. Now I am going to discuss a topic on importance of information asset. So each and every organization, assets are the backbone for any individual or any organization or the economy. So it is mainly representing the resources, whether it is tangible or intangible, how it can be controlled. So by using this, how we are going to generate an income and we are going to develop our organization. So these physical assets like land, building, and any equipment are asset with an intellectual property. It plays a major role in financial growth. So in modern business environment, every information is considered as one of the most valuable asset for organizational process. So it is having all the data, documents and systems which can be processed. The information is very supportive to the objectives of the organization. So by seeing this image, we can analyze the importance of information asset. The first one is how it is effective for decision making. So it plays a major role in a data insight and manages how it can be useful. So the accurate and timely information is very important, where we can have a customer behavior and how the performance of the organization can be helpful for planning and how the risk management can be reduced. The second one is enhance operational efficiency. Here we need to have a proper management for the asset, because for streamlining the information, how it can be controlled. For example, we can have a customer information, how it is allowing the marketing process and how they are going to analyze the sales very effectively. So through this analyzing, we can reduce our time and we can reduce our wastage. The third one is create competitive advantage. Here, competitive advantage is very important for each and every organization for running efficiently. Through this, they can identify what are the new segments are there, who can be the competitor, how we are going to understand the competitor. So all the information can be gathered and kept as an asset for unique strategies, how they are going to implement the information to face the competitor. The next one is ensure regularity compliance. So many industries are governed by a very strict laws where they can have a privacy and security. So for this they are using GDPR or HIPAA, where they have a proper management in organizing the asset. It can be very helpful to the organization for maintaining their customer trust. The next one is support customer relationship management. It is a major role where we have to identify what is the accuracy and customer satisfaction level, how they are personalizing the data, how the long-term relationship will lead for royalty and reputation of your business. This next one is facilitate information and growth. Here we are going to access a reliable information of the asset, where the companies need to analyze, where the feedback can be collected from the customer. Through this, the innovation by enabling the new product and services of business model plays a major role. The next one is enable risk management and security. Information assets are very sensitive and it is a very confidential data for protecting the information which is given by the customer. So for protecting these assets, we can form a unauthorized access and how the risk can be analyzed, and reputed damages and operational descriptions can be used. The next one is improve collaboration and knowledge sharing. Here we have to manage the information asset in a proper way. Through this, the employees can have a access and accurate the data, which is very relevant. This is very useful for communicating the information, where we can have agility to increase our organization. Next one is optimize resource allocation. So this information asset is very helpful for monitoring and evaluating all the activities which is daily done in the organization, where we can have a organizational allocation for manpower, time and capital. We need to generate the highest return in this particular area. The next one is enhancing report and performance management. Here, it is very important to provide a accurate and very useful report which is relevant to the stakeholders, for regulatory bodies and consumers, where they can track their metrics. Next one is, through this we can conclude how the information asset is very useful for growth and stability of the organization in all the sectors where the business, government and personal finance are using this activity. The risk management can be reduced by innovation and competitive in the world. Thank you.